The only way forward. To keep on learning, to always seek new forms of education. Learning something new every single day is the only way forward. This means we must pledge to ourselves to acquire new skills or enhance existing skills. Just a few minutes every day learning something new makes all the difference. As well, when we concentrate our attention on the present moment, we focus on the task at hand. We give our full attention to what we are doing, and we get smart on what we do. We must always live in the moment and know it's all worthwhile. Forever is composed of nows. Emily Dickinson, poet.